In this video, we will learn how to use into math in Microsoft Word document. So let's start. Open your Word document and go to the Draw tab. Here, look for the into math. Okay, in Convert group, have a into math option. Just click on it and the math input control dialog box is open. You can see here the preview here and the write math here. You can write here any math calculation. So I write here 1 plus 2. Okay, you can see here the preview of the math. If you want to erase it, just click on the eraser option and you can erase it easily. Okay, so again I write here, just click on the right option, x, and I use here y. Okay, okay, again I want to clear this, just click on the clear option. It's everything clear, just click on it. Okay, then I write here something again. I'm going to write the W, but it's in preview showing the M. To correct it, just click on the select and correct option and just select the full word, and you can see here showing the some option. So I select here the W. Now you can see the in preview showing the W. Okay, again if you want to clear, just click on the clear it. So this is a way you can write the math input here. So hope you understand, and I show you how to insert in your Word document. Okay, so I just write here 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, and click on the insert. Here the math input is inserted with this equation tab also here added. You can use here the symbols, tools, structures to create your equations. Okay, so this is a way you can use the into math in Microsoft Word document. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.